Zebra. Look at me. Ooh. That's my cat. She's smart. Zebra. See? That's her name. I'm zooming in and zooming out. So you know. That's my cat. Her name's Zebra. And pretty much that's it. My dog you see in my videos, he used this flooring. Before we got this flooring, this is what my dog used to lay before he died. But yeah, this is my kitty. She's lost. She misses her buddy. Zebra, come here. Psst, psst. Zebra, you miss your buddy? Yeah, you miss your buddies. You miss Timber? Yeah, you miss Timber. She's pretty emotional. Like a mother, like me. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Bye.